How to edit site notifications on Onlyfans. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can edit your site notifications on your Onlyfans account. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com and press enter to search it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the left side, you will find various options. From there, you can also see notification option. Click on it. Once this window appears, here click on the settings icon at the right, and then here you will see various notification categorized. Within it, you will also find site notifications. Click on it and you will be presented with various options. Here you can either disable or enable them. Customize your site notifications. Blue tick ahead of the topics indicates that they are enabled, and now to disable them you can simply click on them and it will be disabled. Also, you can choose the specific options whether you want them to be enabled or disabled. So in this way you can edit your site notifications. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.